popping, guys? Welcome back to Corinthian again, guys. How are you guys? Are you guys fine? Good and everything? Today I have another challenge, guys. I'm gonna have to challenge myself to eat ramen all the way from Korea. Woo! Have you guys eaten this before? This is the most spicy noodles ever that I've eaten before, guys. I'm super excited and at the same time I'm scared, guys, because I'm scared of this spiciness, man. It is so spicy that I can't even bear it. I hope I can actually go through this challenge, guys, by myself. So I'm gonna cook it right now. So let's get it done, guys. Let's get it. Okay guys, so the water is boiling up. So I have this thing right here. I already opened it. Okay, so let's take it out. Woo, it's too hot, man, with my camera on my hand. Okay, let's get it done. Whoa, but it's not enough, guys. You see, this thing is so small, you know, and my noodle is kind of big, and there's some leftover inside. Let's pour it up. Yeah, we are good. Oh, just drop it. Ah, let's go. Okay. Okay, so yeah, guys, so my brother just told me he found this on this toilet, guys. He thought it was a cockroach, but it turned out to be this grasshopper, guys. Wow, look at it. I love grasshopper. Hello, this cutie boy. Guys, it's boiling up, guys. Whoa, I can't wait for it. Hopefully it's good. I don't know how long do I need to wait for it to be boiled? Yeah, let's go. And by the way, I'm gonna take some eggs, you know, just to fry it, because I want to mix something like, you know, like egg with ramen. You get me? That's a good combination, guys. Actually, I just woke up and yeah, I felt so hungry, so I decided to make this video and challenge myself to eat this ramen, guys. I want to see whether I can bear the spiciness of this noodle or not. Okay, so now I got this egg right here. I'm going to fry it. Ah, yes, I love egg so much, guys. Can you see it? With my hands on. Woo! Let's go. Alright, I think that's enough. I'm gonna put it like that. Alright, so yeah, I got this one. Okay, so this noodle is ready. So now it's time for me to pour this two thing inside this noodle. And yeah, let's find it out, guys. I don't know what to do. This is not ASMR video, okay? I know you'll feel like you feel thirsty in, yeah, my own language, I guess. You don't know what is that. It's like tingling thing, you know. Oh. Dude, I'm gonna pour. Oh, guys. Oh, that's a thing. I don't like this. The spiciness is too crazy, guys. I'm sure that you have tried it, right? If you have tried it, comment down below. If you haven't, also comment down below, guys. Okay. It's gonna be hot, guys. Super hot. Ah! And with the egg on, yes, correct. So I'm gonna just mix it, alright? Mix it, mix it. Oh, this is spicy, guys. Oh my gosh, the smell. Oh, it's hot, guys. Woo! Yeah. Look at it, the redness of it. Look at how red it is, guys. Oh, guys. Can somebody share it with me? Oh, this is crazy, guys. Oh my. See, oh my. OMG, guys. Oh. Okay, guys, so my challenge is I'm not going to drink any water, guys, until I finish this noodle. Okay. Okay, guys, so make sure to get it done, guys. Say grace first. Amen. Okay, so oh my gosh, I'm gonna take the water first.
Eventually.
Okay, so I've just drunk half of a cup of water. So let's go, guys. May God bless me this time. Finishing, guys. gosh. Oh. Finish! Whoa, my! Whoa! Oh! Hot, guys. No water. Until 30 seconds pass by, I'll get a cup of water. Oh my gosh. What the? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Actually, I got the soup. Oh. This is hot, this is spicy. So when you eat spicy and you drink hot, what will happen, guys? One thing is I found out when I ate too much spicy food, I feel like my brain is turning, guys. Like, yeah, it's too much, it's packed. That's crazy, guys. Okay guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, make sure to... Oh my gosh, I just splashed the thing, man. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and remember to share it to your friends, your family, your pets, your dogs, your ducks, your elephants, the giraffe, the zebra, your crocodile, your alligator, your whale, the seal, and everything, guys. And make sure to check out my new song, Ethnic Salmon. It's gonna be right here. Right? So thanks a lot for 2K sub. We are on the way to 5K sub, guys. I'll see you in the next one. As always, peace.